Welcome to your evening meditation. This is your time, a space for stillness, restoration, and peace. If you have a jar of Beezy Beez CBN cinnamon sleep honey nearby, I invite you to enjoy a gentle teaspoon now. This calming blend was created to help your body transition more smoothly into rest. If you don't have it yet, that's completely okay. You'll still benefit fully from this meditation. And if you're curious to try it in your next evening routine, you can learn more at deepbearsleep.com. Find a comfortable position in bed. Let your pillow cradle your head, your shoulders, your spine. Allow the mattress to support you completely. If it feels comforting, place one hand over your heart and the other on your belly. This is a space of gentleness. No forcing, no fixing. Tonight, we invite your body to rest, to reset, and to quietly support your healthy weight journey with kindness. Take a slow, steady breath in through your nose and a long, easy exhale through your mouth. Again, in and out. With each exhale, let the day soften and slide away. There is nowhere to go and nothing to do. Just you, your breath, and a quiet willingness to be kind to yourself. Begin to lengthen the exhale. Inhale for a comfortable count of 4. Exhale for a count of 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue at your own gentle rhythm. As you breathe, imagine a warm golden wave starting at your forehead. It smooths your brow, softens the tiny muscles around your eyes, loosens your jaw so your teeth part slightly, and your tongue rests softly. Let your ears, your scalp, your temples relax as though warm sunlight is melting tension like ice. That warmth drifts down your neck, unclenching the small, hard-working muscles, then spreads across your shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop a little, then a little more, as if they remember how to be held. Let that warmth pour down your arms, biceps, elbows, forearms, passing through your wrists and palms, all the way to your fingers. Imagine each finger exhaling, releasing, unclenching. The wave moves across your upper chest, softening your ribs, making space around your heart. It glides into the upper back, smoothing any knots along the shoulder blades, and down the length of your spine, vertebra by vertebra, unlocking tiny pockets of tension you didn't even know you were holding. Now the wave reaches your belly. Feel your hand rise and fall on each breath. Whisper inwardly, "Thank you. Thank you for nourishment, for energy, for the quiet work that happens without my asking." Let the warmth soothe your digestive system, stomach, liver, intestines. Like a gentle hand smoothing a wrinkled sheet, the wave flows into your hips, releasing the deep muscles that carry so much of your day. Let your hips be heavy, Let your pelvis settle into the bed with real permission to rest. The warmth travels down your thighs, softening the fronts, the backs, the inner lines. It reaches your knees, easing the joints, then your calves and shins, your ankles, your heels, the arches of your feet, the balls of your feet, all 10 toes. Imagine the soles of your feet soaking in warmth, like sun-warmed sand at the end of a long day. If thoughts pass through, meals, choices, should-haves, see them as leaves drifting down a slow river at dusk. You don't have to step in. Just watch them float by, and away breathe in peace. Out, release. Silently repeat, I can rest now. My body knows the way. Bring kind awareness to your body without judgment. Sense your heartbeat beneath your hand. Feel your belly gently rise and fall. Whisper inwardly, thank you, heart, for your steady rhythm. Thank you, lungs, for each quiet breath. Thank you, stomach and digestive fire, for transforming food into energy. Thank you, liver and lymph, for your effortless cleansing. Thank you, muscles, for carrying me, joints for supporting me. Imagine every cell in your body hearing this message. You are safe to release what you no longer need. Not only physical weight, but tension, guilt, old beliefs that were never yours to carry. See these old weights as a soft gray mist, lifting with every exhale. Inhale, nourishment. Exhale, release. Inhale, safety. Exhale, letting go. Now picture 2 gentle lanterns within you. One is the hunger lantern. It glows when your body is truly hungry, clear and honest, free from urgency or stress. The other is the satisfaction lantern. It warms when your body has had enough, steady and content, unafraid to pause. Tonight, we simply brighten these lanterns. Whisper, I hear you, I honor you. No rules or punishments, just partnership with your own wise body. Bring to mind 3 small wins from today. Maybe you paused to breathe before eating. Maybe you chose water when you were thirsty. Maybe you noticed a craving and let it pass like a cloud. Let each small win spark a candle in your inner room. 1 candle, 2, 3. See the soft glow multiply. Small wins stack quietly. Inches become miles. If a moment feels heavy, something you wish you'd done differently, picture it as a smooth, cool stone in your palm. Notice its weight, the texture. With a slow exhale, set it down beside your path. The path remains yours. The next step is always yours. Repeat softly, I learn. I adjust, I continue. Now let's walk a little into a visualization. Imagine a woodland trail at golden hour. The light is honey soft. The air carries the scent of pine and earth. Each step is gentle and supported. Your joints feel oiled, your muscles lengthened, your breath smooth. As you walk, you notice your body's quiet joy in movement that feels good, not punishing, not forced, just kind. Up ahead, the trail opens into a clearing with a wooden bench. You sit, feeling the sturdy wood beneath you. the coolness of shade on your skin. Across the clearing, you see tomorrow you, only a few months ahead, walking with an easy, natural rhythm. Notice her posture, open chest, relaxed shoulders. Notice the quiet confidence in her eyes. There's no strain or rigid rules, just a calm partnership with her body. She waves and sits beside you. When she smiles, you see your own strength reflected back. She places her hand over yours and offers 5 simple promises. Not demands, not rules, just gentle invitations. I eat when I'm truly hungry and pause when I'm satisfied. I move my body in ways that feel good. I drink water throughout the day to refresh my cells. I sleep deeply and let rest do its quiet repair. I speak to myself like someone I love. Let these promises settle into you like warm tea, soothing, steadying, unhurried. Tomorrow, you reaches into her pocket and offers a small satchel. Inside, you find 3 tokens. A tiny hourglass, reminding you that change happens, grain by grain, choice by choice. A smooth river stone, reminding you to set down what you no longer need. A simple brass key, reminding you the door to your calmer, lighter life unlocks from the inside. Hold these tokens near your heart and feel a slow, genuine yes rising within you. Not noisy, not urgent, just a clear inner yes to small, kind steps, you and tomorrow. You stand and walk back to the trail. For a moment, you walk together, steps matching. She leans in and whispers, I'm always with you. Each evening we'll meet here in rest. Each morning we'll take one kind step. She smiles and continues along the sunlit path. You watch her go, trusting that you'll meet again each night when you close your eyes. Let the scene soften and fade like twilight. Return gently to your breath. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how your body is breathing itself. Notice the bed gently holding you. Let your edges blur into softness. Now allow these affirmations to drift through your mind like a soft night breeze. You can repeat them or simply listen. My body is wise and I am listening. I release what I no longer need, gently, steadily, safely. I choose foods that love me back in portions that honor my body. I move with kindness and rest with trust. Each night I reset. Each morning I begin again. Small steps taken calmly become lasting change. I am patient with myself. I am proud of my progress. I am becoming lighter. In body, in heart, in mind. I eat when I'm truly hungry and pause when I'm satisfied. I let go of guilt. I welcome compassion. My nervous system is safe. My metabolism is steady. Peace is my ally. Rest is my repair. My future self is cheering for me. I'm already on the path. Let one phrase linger as your lullaby tonight. Let it settle into the quiet spaces of your mind where it can bloom while you sleep. We'll soften even more with a slow body scan, cozy and unhurried. Feel the weight of your head sinking into the pillow, the gentle curve of your neck, the warmth around your collarbones and shoulders, washing any leftover tightness into the mattress. Notice the back of your arms resting, the elbows easy, the hands open and soft. Feel your chest widen with each inhale, like a door opening onto fresh air. Sense your heart beating, not asking for anything, simply steady. Let your awareness rest at your belly, where breath meets body. With every exhale, picture your core unwinding a little more, as if it's sighing with relief. The hips are heavy and safe. The thighs relax. Knees loosen. Calves soften. Ankles release. Heels nestle into the bed, like stones returning to a riverbed. The arches, the balls of your feet, your toes, each toe letting go. Imagine the entire back of your body glowing with a faint, warm light, head to shoulders, to hips to heels. This is your rest light. It tells every system you're safe, you can repair, you can restore. Your hormonal rhythms balance, your digestion settles, your nervous system eases into a calm healing mode. Nothing you need to do, your body knows. If sleep arrives, let it take you. If you're still gently awake, continue the 4-6 breath for a few rounds. In, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel how the longer exhale rocks you inward, like a tide returning to shore. With each cycle, you drift closer to that quiet center where change germinates in the dark. The way seeds take root in night soil, quietly, perfectly, in their own time. Before we close, return once more to the wooden clearing in your mind and glance down at your tokens. The hourglass, the river stone, the key. Know that they are with you always. Know that tomorrow, you is already proud of you for resting, for listening, for beginning again with kindness. Whisper inwardly as if speaking to your own selves. Thank you, body. Thank you, breath. Thank you, heart. I'm with you. We can rest now. We can release now. We can begin again gently. Let the words dissolve into silence. Feel the bed beneath you. Feel the softness around you. The night holds you. Your path holds you. Your future self holds you. You are safe to rest. You are safe to release. You are safe to wake lighter in body, in heart, in mind. Good night.